Next you see abdominal appendages, pregenitally appendages. In immature stages, what is the appendages? And in winged adults, what are the appendages? So first one is pregenital abdominal appendages. That means before 8th and 9th, what are the abdominal appendages are there? That is your what? Pregenital abdominal appendages. Styli will be there, collophore will be there, furcula will be there, tenaculum or retinaculum will be there. Retinaculum present in the wing coupling apparatus also, here also, don't get confused. So first one is your what? Styli. Varying number of paired tube-like structure outgrowth are found on the ventral side of the abdomen of silverfish. Silverfish belongs to which order? Tysonura. Okay, they are the apterygotes. Yes or no? They don't have the wings. They will molt throughout your life cycle. They don't undergo metamorphosis. No egg larva pupa. Egg is hatched into the structure. Just their size will increase that much. Understood? So here you see in their abdomen, okay, there are some leg-like structure, a style-like structure. Yes or no? That is known as what? Your styli, abdominal styli, not anal styli, but abdominal styli. Understood? These are the reduced abdominal legs which help in somewhat locomotion. Clear? This is not anal styli. Remember, that is abdominal styli. Clear? Anal styli is different. Again, we will discuss. Up to this, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you see this all the structure like collophore, furcula and tenaculum. At a single slide we will discuss. Organ, collophore, tenaculum or retinaculum, furcula. Present in which insect I told? Collembola, that means springtail. Family name not important, just remember order and insect. Collembola means springtail. Why the name is springtail? Because they possess a spring-like structure. That is known as what? Furcula. That's why the name is springtail. Understood? So collophore is present on the first abdominal segment. You see this one, also known as ventral tube. This structure, this structure, this structure, okay, this structure, then this structure. This is known as what? Your collophore. Understood? What is the function? Or ventral tube, what is the function? Organ of adhesion that will be helpful in sticking to the surface. Clear?
Yes, sir.
See the description. It is located on the ventral side of the first abdominal segment, that means sternum. It serves as an organ of adhesion. It also helpful in water absorption from the substratum and in respiration also. Collophore is helpful, but minimum remember organ of adhesion. Clear this one? Next point you see tenaculum or retinaculum, or also known as a catch. It will help to hold. Okay, present in the third abdominal sternum, useful to hold the springing organ furcula when not in use. Suppose this is the furcula. This is under rest. How it will be under rest? It will be just beneath this particular structure. This structure. Here it is not there. See properly. A small hook-like structure. This structure. Okay. That is known as what? Your retinaculum. What is the function? That is helpful in holding the furcula, springing organ. It will hold the springing organ. Up to this, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the last one? Furcula, present on the fourth abdominal segment, also known as springing organ. What is the function? Suppose you see it will be like this. It will be like this. Okay. While jumping, what will happen? It will just put a pressure on the surface and it will be extended so that this insect will roll over, propel in the air. Again, it will fall down somewhere else. Understood? They don't have the wings, they cannot fly. So they will try to jump one place to another place. So how the jumping is done? By the springing organ, also known as furcula. Present in which abdominal sternum? Fourth one. Under rest, where the furcula will be there? By the catch, also known as tenaculum or retinaculum. That is present in which abdominal sternum? That is present in which abdominal sternum?
Fourth.
Retinaculum is present in which abdominal sternum?
Third, sir.
Third. Collophore present in which abdominal sternum?
First.
First. What is the function? Organ of adhesion. Also what is the function? Sometimes respiration also. But minimum you remember organ of adhesion. Next you see abdominal appendages in immature insect. I told in generally the pregenital appendages are present in either immature stages or in the apterygotes only. So first one is your what? Tracheal gills. Different type of gills are present. Abdominal gills are present in the insect. It is different in different insect. You see first one is filamentous gill. Tracheal means what? That is for respiration. Yes or no? In case of your, again you see, example, naiads of mayfly. Mayfly means which order? Ephemeroptera. In those insects you see in their abdominal, there is a gill-like structure. Yes or no? You see in the abdomen there is a gill-like structure for your respiration. That is known as what? Your filamentous gills. Present in which insect? Mayfly larva. Their larva is known as what? Naiads. We already have discussed where it is present in the first 7 abdominal segments. Okay, this is what your filamentous gill. You see, tracheal gills are 3 types. First we have discussed filamentous gill present in naiads of what? Mayfly. Belongs to which order?
Mayfly.
Belongs to which order?
Ephemeroptera.
Ephemeroptera. Okay. Good. Next you see, we will discuss about caudal gills. Present in insect. Which insect? Naiad of damselfly. Damselfly means belongs to which order?
Odonata, sir.
Good. 3 or 2 leaf-like gills are there here you see. Leaf-like structure. Can you see leaf-like structure? Yes or no? At the abdominal end? Yes or no? This is a real insect. Leaf-like structure. 3 are there. Yes or no? That is known as what? Your caudal gills. Found at the end of abdomen of naiads of damselfly. Naiad means immature stages of your damselfly. Next you see, last one, rectal gill. Rectal means rectum is present in the digestive system at the end. Yes or no? So here also what will happen? It is not visible outside. A pouch-like structure will be there. A pouch-like structure. Okay. Pouch-like rectum, it will be there. It is also helpful in the respiration. Okay. Within the abdomen and in a pouch-like rectum. And that is known as what? A rectal gill. Present in which insect? Naiads of dragonfly. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Filamentous gill present in first 7 abdomen segments of naiads of mayfly. Caudal gills present in the anal end, just like a 3 leaves present in case of naiads of damselfly. Rectal gills, a pouch-like structure in the rectum that is present in the near the rectum at the abdominal end, that is present in the naiads of dragonfly. What is naiad? You understood? The immature stages of Ephemeroptera and Odonata is known as what? Naiads. You see, zoom person, this one and this one. Okay, that is your what? This is your caudal gill and this is your rectal gill. These things completed. In case of caterpillars, what happens? They have the prolegs. Prolegs are also known as which leg? Prolegs are also known as
4
Abdominal legs.
abdominal legs or planta. Yes or no? We have discussed on that day.
Yes, sir.
Present,
Yes, sir.
present in which insects? Caterpillar.
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar means which order?
Lepidoptera.
Lepidoptera, sir.
One more exceptional case I told. Which one is that? If you toss them, they will fall down. Which one? Sawfly.
Mustard sawflies.
Very good. Mustard sawfly. They also having your which one? Prolegs. What is the difference between caterpillar prolegs and your sawfly prolegs? One structure is absent. Which structure is absent? Crochets. Yes or no? In case of Lepidoptera caterpillars, they have the crochets, but in case of your sawfly larva, they do not have the crochets. In which abdominal segment they will be there? 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 10th. Some modifications are there. We will discuss in the type of larva. Clear? Yes or no? But
Yes,
in case
sir.
of you say sawfly, 7 to 8 pairs are there. Yes or no? In the first abdominal segments up to whatever the number, up to that they will be there. Okay. So anal papillae you see, a group of 4 papillae surrounds the anus in mosquito larva like this. Can you see 1, 2, 3, 4? Yes or no? Mosquito larva, these papillae are concerned with salt regulation. Okay. Like this at the end of, this is the larva of your, which one? Mosquito, also known as wriggler. Okay, if you zoom it like this, your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, such kind of anal papillae will be there. That is helpful for UC, zoom versions. Okay, that is useful for salt regulation. They are aquatic in nature. Next you see dolichaster. These are the structure found on the abdomen of antlion grub. Okay, you see, this is the larva, like this it will be there of mosquito, and at the end what will happen? This one. At the end what will happen? Your anal papillae will be there. You see, always they will try to be in the inverted shape. Not like this they will stay. They will inverted. Anal papillae will be towards the upside. Next, abdominal appendages in the winged adult insect. Okay, cornicles, I have told you in the upfeed they will be there. This is the structure. Huh? Upfeed it will be. Today morning I have shown you, na? Cornicles, yes or no? Morning you try to remember. I told Apterus, Brachypterus, Macropterus. In the Apterus I have shown you the upfeed where such kind of structure. Huh? These two structure, that is what your cornicles. Present on the 5th and 6th abdominal segment, dorsum side. Huh? It will be there. Cerci, already have discussed, yes or no? Cerci, circus is the singular name. They are the most conspicuous appendages associated normally with the 11th abdominal segment. They exhibit wide diversity in form. Long and many segmented mayfly, long and unsegmented cricket, short and many segmented cockroach, short and unsegmented grasshopper. Like this different type of diversity is there. Yes or no? Here you see. Long and many segmented mayfly, you see this one. Long and many segmented. Long and unsegmented in case of crickets. Okay. Then your short and many segmented in case of cockroach, this one you see. This is the style and this is the style. Okay. Then short and unsegmented, this one. This is not segmented. Huh? One is segmented, one is unsegmented. One is segmented, one is unsegmented. These two are large, these two are short. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Abdominal appendages in the wing, again same thing. Cerci are sensory in function. Okay, those functions are written. They may also function as sound receiver in sometimes defensive, sometimes clasping organ for holding the mate, sometimes feeding organs in case of raptorial, may modified into lateral gills performing respiration and ionic exchange in case of Zygoptera. Also, it is different, huh? Modified systems are there. Swimming organ in case of Ephemeroptera, their function is different. This is ear wig, but this is Dermaptera. Huh? Okay. One is ear wig, another one is web spinners. Okay, that is your what? Ambioptera. Ear wig is your what? Dermaptera. Okay. In Dermaptera like this it will be there. In case of Ambioptera like this it will be there. That is for clasping the female during copulation. Okay. Dermaptera ear wig you see. Like this it is there for defensive purpose. Male are forceps-like, female are straight one. But in case of Ambioptera, web spinner, what is happening? Male are asymmetrical, female are symmetrical. Can you observe? You see in case of male, this is asymmetrical. Left one is shorter than the right one. Yes or no? But in case of female, both are symmetrical. Clear? Can you observe this one in this picture? Yes or no? But males are winged, females are wingless. So suppose I will ask you a question. Asymmetrical cerci present in which order?
Ambioptera.
Asymmetrical mouth part present in which order? Right mandible is absent in thrips. Yes or no? Rasping and sucking type of mouth parts. Over. Khatam. Like this people are remembering. Huh? Ovipositor will be there. The egg-laying organ is what your ovipositor. It is short and horny in case of short-horn grasshopper. This short horn, short antenna. They have your short, it will be short. Long and sword-like in case of katydid and longhorn grasshopper. Like this it will be there. Long one. Okay. Needle-like in case of a cricket, like this. Needle one in case of cricket. Ovipositor is modified into sting in case of your honeybees. Understood? Yes or no? Short,
Yes, sir.
long one, needle one, sting one. Clear? Huh? This is what your ovipositor. This is important. Pseudo ovipositor present in which insect? Always remember fruit flies. In fruit fly what will happen? No specific ovipositor will be there. That just the end of the abdomen will be modified into a slender tube, a pointed tube like this. Like this, like this. Okay, this one, huh? This one. Zoom version, this one. This is again same thing. It will be puncturing the rind of the fruits and they will lay the egg inside. There is no bigger thing. They will puncture the fruit rind, the epicarp and the pericarp, and they will lay their eggs. Okay, that is known as what your pseudo ovipositor. No specific bulbulae 1, 2, 3 will be modified. Simply it will be there extended and that will be useful for your egg laying. Understood? Ovipositor, organ which is responsible for oviposition. Oviposition means the process of egg laying. So the organ is known as ovipositor. Now coming to anal styli. This is also a sexual dimorphism character. A pair of short unsegmented structure found at the end of the abdomen of male cockroach. This is your male cockroach. This is your female cockroach. This is your cerci. This is your cerci. Cerci is which type of cerci? Short and many segmented. In female, this structure is not there, but in case of male, this structure is there. This is known as what? Your anal styli. They are useful to hold the female during the copulation process. Anal styli. Present in which insect? Present in which insect?
Cockroach.
Cockroach. That too, male you try to remember. Understood? In case of you tell male cockroach, not only cockroach. Huh? Okay. One more structure, median caudal filament. In case of mayfly, wingless silverfish, epiproct is elongated into a circus like median caudal filament. Cerci is there. Apart from that, the epiproct is extended. That is known as median caudal filament. In case of mayfly also you see, there will be a median caudal filament. This is your silverfish. This is your mayfly. Understood or not?
Sir, again median caudal filament.
Okay. You see in this structure, three things are there. This is one, this is one, this is one. Yes or no? These two are what? Your cerci. Yes or no? I told you na, in the 11th abdominal segment modified into a circular plate known as epiproct. Below that one pair of paraproct will be there. So this epiproct, circular epiproct will be modified into a slender tube. You see, here also a slender tube at the middle. Yes or no? So this slender tube is known as what? Your median caudal filament. Understood? Present in which insect? Silverfish and your mayfly.
Mayfly.
Silverfish belongs to which order? Ephemeroptera. Is it correct?
Tysonura, sir.
Tysonura. Mayfly belongs to which order? Ephemeroptera. Okay. Silverfish is Tysonura and mayfly your Ephemeroptera. Huh? Okay. Like this it will be there. Okay. This is the mayfly. Huh? Okay. Like this it will be there. Okay. This is in case of Hymenoptera, you see, it may be honeybees, it may be ants and all, or wasp also you can take, birudi we call it, huh? Wasp. The first abdominal segment is fused with the metathorax known as propodium. Metathorax, and the first abdominal segment will also be fused with the your metathorax. This segment is known as what? Propodium. Understood? In case of ants, honeybees, hymenopterans, what happens? The first abdominal segment will be fused with the metathorax. Head is there, prothorax is there, mesothorax is there, metathorax is there. After metathorax, first abdominal segment will be there. So first abdominal segment and metathorax will be fused. That is known as which segment? Propodium. Understood? Hello. This picture you see. Huh?
Yes, sir.
With the metathorax, the first abdominal segment is fused. That is known as propodium. Then a second segment will be somewhat reduced. Understanding or not? Okay, somewhat reduced. That is known as your pedicel or petiole. Okay, pedicel or petiole. And the last abdominal segments will be enlarged, larged one. Okay, that is known as what? Your gaster. Rest of the abdominal segment is known as gaster. Propodium, petiole or pedicel, gaster. That means third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th. All are known as together what? Your gaster. In case of ants, in case of honeybees, and in case of wasp. Next you see the development of abdomen. It is again two types. One is anamorphic development, one is epimorphic development. Epimorphic is the normal one. That means when the egg is hatched into the larva, they possess 11 number of segments. Gradually their size will increase. That's it. That is what your epimorphic development. But what is anamorphic development? Anamorphic means addition of abdominal segments will be there. What is the meaning? In Protura, that means which insect? Talsantine. Huh? The first instar larva hatches with only 8 abdominal segment and a talson. That means 1 to 8 abdominal segment will be there. Then the tail will be there. Understood? When they are hatched into larva. Remaining 3 segments, that means 9th one, 10th one and 11th one. That will be added before the talson tail after the 8th abdominal segment. So such process of addition of abdominal segments in between the 8th one and the tarsal tail. That is known as what? Your anamorphic development, additional development. Anamorphic development happens in which order? Only Protura. All other insect, epimorphic development. It may be pterygoids, all 25. It may be Thysanura. It may be Collembola. It may be Diplura. All are epimorphic, except in Protura where what happens? Anamorphic development will be there. Whatever the numbers are there since from the beginning, that is only just the size is increasing. That is what? Epimorphic development. If additional segments are added, that is known as anamorphic development. Up to this clear?
Yes, sir.
The organs concerned specifically with mating and the deposition of eggs are known as external genitalia, although they may be largely internal. What is the meaning? They are arising from the internal segment of 8th and 9th. Because what is the last segment? 11th one. The components of the external genitalia of insect are very diverse in form and often have considerable taxonomic value, particularly among species that appear structurally similar in other respects. Leave it. The male external genitalia have been used widely to aid in distinguishing species, whereas the female external genitalia may be simpler or less varied. The terminalia of the adult female insect include internal structure for receiving the male copulatory organ, 8th segment, and his spermatozoa, and external structure used for opposition, 9th abdominal segment. Most female insects have an egg-laying tube, ovipositor, 9th abdominal. It is absent in case of termites, parasitic lice, many Plecoptera, and most Ephemeroptera. Not important for your particular syllabus. Ovipositor takes two forms. One is true one, another one is the false one. True one is your what? In case of all other insect. False one is in case of some of the diptera adults like your fruit flies. That is known as pseudo ovipositor. Understood? Everything we have discussed already. Understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
These things completed, huh? Everything completed, these things. Male external genitalia in males, 9th abdominal segment bears the sexual organ, also known as Epidermis or penis. Male genitalia consist of median intermittent organ, also known as Epidermis, also known as penis, and lateral clasping organ called as your parameres will be there. Structurally not that much visible. Okay, just near the cerci, those parameres will be there for holding the female. But in case of male cockroach, that is anal styli, it is differing from insect to insect. Female external genitalia, all those things will be there. Yes or no? Volvulae 1, 2, 3. 8th abdominal segment for gonopore. Epiproct, paraproct, cerci will be there everywhere. This is the epiproct in male. This is the epiproct in female. This is the paraproct in male. Okay, this is the paraproct in female. This is the cerci in male. This is the cerci in female. Understanding? All those structures are there. You see, while giving you this note, I will remove those last two slides. Not important, because the things which are important already there before. Okay, clear or any doubt is there? Abdominal things clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay.
अच्छा सुनो, सब्सक्राइब करते वक्त ना घंटी बजा देना, ताकि जब मैं ऑनलाइन आऊँ तो तुम्हारे फोन की भी घंटी बजे।